Hello everyone, it's Winona from Dairy Barn Art, and welcome back. Welcome if you're new. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. Well, I'm back for another video. I'm going to show you what I purchased from TechWrap. And if you saw my last video, I apologize, because if I could make a mistake, I made a mistake. And this is what I made. I bought the box at the dollar store, and I painted and I roughed it up, sanded it, and then I put this vinyl on. And it's not fully on, but I think it's okay for what I'm going to use it for. If it bothers me, I'll take it off and I'll repaint it and redo it again, learning from what I've done wrong the first time, I guess. But anyway, before we get started, let's do a little bit of everyday gratitude. I've been feeling so great, like so full of gratitude lately. I feel so much better. I am on some new medication and I have so much energy, and it just feels so good to feel alive again. Anyway, today it's Barbara Holmes, and she says, when we are fully alert in spirit, mind, and body, we are more than we imagine and can accomplish more than we suppose. Oh, doesn't that ring true for today? How can I become more awake in my mind, body, and spirit? Well, I will tell you something. I have never been a good sleeper my whole life. Never. I never. I'm always tired. I'm always tired. And I got a CPAP machine a few years ago for sleep apnea, which I've had since I was little, because I remember going on a holiday and a friend's telling me I'd stop breathing in my sleep. But So I got a CPAP machine, and I thought that was going to answer everything, all my problems, because I'd be breathing. I wouldn't stop breathing. Well, I still was tired. And I know I spend a lot of my night awake. I know that since chemo. I think I have a little bit of post-traumatic stress from that experience. But I went to the chronic pain clinic, and the doctor prescribed me sleeping pills. But not regular sleeping pills. These pills are actually prescribed for bipolar disorder, but in a much higher dose. And I have been sleeping. I was shocked that she knew I never went into deep sleep, or if I did, it was only for a short period of time every night. And I know that because my watch tells me that, but I kept thinking my watch was wrong. And but she knew that. So I've been taking these pills, and I have been sleeping so well. And I have so much energy. I'm just like the little Energizer Buddy. But anyway, let's get on to this. So this is the lavender color that I got. And that's what I used on my box, was this. It's a matte vinyl. I don't know. I can't remember if it's temporary or permanent. I'll have to look that up after. But I don't think it's permanent. I think it's temporary. But that's really nice. And then this is beautiful. This is a gloss, but it's got a pearly color to it. And I think this is, oh man, I hope this is permanent, because I wanted to put this on some cups. And my scraps I just put in here. Man, I'm gonna have to look that up, because I wanted to put it on some glasses. And then we'll open this. And this is a matte brown, and this is craft vinyl. Oh no, it's glossy dark brown. Sorry, I was wrong. It doesn't say if it's permanent or temporary. I'm not sure, but I just thought the brown is beautiful. And it was on sale. It was on sale. It was pretty cheap. And there was free shipping. The only problem with it was that I had to have it delivered to my mom's, which happens quite often because I live on a farm and I don't have a street address. So I get it delivered to my mom's, but that means I have to make a trip into the city to pick up. There's a lot of stuff at her place right now. I've been just going on a shopping spree. So this is heat transfer vinyl, and I bought it to do some Halloween stuff for my grandkids. This is New Glitter Neon Peachy. And I just thought this was so pretty. And this you'll iron onto something. I'm going to make them some bags, little bags, Halloween treat bags. Even though my granddaughter's only 5 months old, 4.5, 5. My one granddaughter, but my other granddaughter's 5 years old. So I want to use that. And then I ordered this. This is New Glitter Colorful Black, and it's gorgeous. Look at the sparkle in there. I just thought that would be good as an outline. Like if you did the word boo, and you use this for the actual letters, and then you use this as a shadow behind the letters, I thought it would be pretty. They sent these along, and I think this is a vinyl with the glitter, I think. I'm not sure. I think that's a vinyl. I think these might be iron-ons, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I'll have to maybe contact them and ask them, because I don't know what they are. Like this one is cool. I think they're like, this definitely has paper. I think they might be iron-ons. This red is gorgeous. That'll be good for Christmas. And this gold is amazing. So those they sent me free. I thought that was really nice. I'm going to just put these over here for now. And then what have we got here? Here we've got the neon color changing. And this is a vinyl. I don't know how I should store these, whether I should roll them up and put them in a basket, or leave them in the containers. Anyway, this changes color. Like when you, I don't know if I can hold it here and heat it up. If my hand will make it hot enough. I think it changes color when it goes cold. But I want to do a cup or two with these. And the colors are just great. That must be, I don't know if that's a white or a transfer sheet. These might be transfer sheets, those two. Look at the pink. And I think it goes purple, that color. And then we've got the yellow. I think probably the best way to keep these would be in their folders. And that way there they don't get damaged. And I don't, oh, here we go. There's something in here. Oh, it tells you. Isn't that cool? So they've set, like I've got color change, and I have an Explore Air. So my setting will be vinyl setting, pressure 220. So it tells you what to set for each of your machines. I also have a Cameo, so then it tells me what to set for that kind of vinyl. That's good. And I won't just be doing vinyl in my new videos. I'll be doing some embroidery, I'll be doing some sewing, I'll still be doing my journals, and I'll be doing some card making. I've just decided that I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to bring whoever along and come on this journey with me as I learn all these new things. So this one is HTV Starter Pack. So this is iron-on. I haven't even opened these. This is iron-on, but this is a starter pack showing all the different colors they have. Because I look online and I don't have a clue. I get overwhelmed with what colors to use. So these are all HTV. So there's a navy. Ooh. And then I think the shiny side, I don't know how that works. And there's the white. This is a pale, oops, a pale pink. Very beautiful. Oh, no, it's not. Look at that. I got these upside down. Let's start this again. So this is a beautiful turquoise blue. Gorgeous. And then we've got a neon green and a silvery purple shimmer. Oh, that would have been nice on my box there. But it's heat transfer. Look at this. I'm going to use that on the girls. They're going to have t-shirts and things coming out of their yin-yangs because I'm going to be making stuff for them constantly. Look at that one. That's cool. And these are all iron-ons that you iron on clothing and such. And there's that blue. Oh, look at that one. The holographic. And there's another holographic one. That's a pretty one too. And the rainbow. So I know that this is the same. So I know that that's a heat transfer then. Oh, and the cheetah, or is that leopard print or cheetah print? I don't know. And another purple. Oh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? It shimmers. And a gold. What's that called? Glitter. So we can put this one in here because we know that's the same. And then the white glitter is beautiful. And a black shimmer. And this one's gorgeous, I think. Nope, that's different. And then a white, and then a black. And this was very reasonably priced. So this isn't like this doesn't show all their colors like I thought it does. This just gives you an assortment of the different kinds of heat transfer vinyl. But that's fine. So I think I'll look here, like that's heat transfer vinyl. I don't think that is. I don't think that is. So we'll put these back in here. Oh, these are hard to, they're so slippery. And now we're coming up to the one that's going to be so cool for the girls. So this one is the Halloween starter pack. And I believe I did open this one to look. So this is going to last me a few years because I feel like my granddaughters are too young for this one here. This is skulls and a cheetah print. I'm not really into that, but I like this vintage looking one. I think that's cool. And then this one with the ghosts and such. I know my granddaughter would like that because it's a little bit scary and she likes scary. Oh, come on. And then this one has fingers on it and bones and candies, but at least the jack-o'-lantern has a smile. Yeah, this one I think will wait for a year or two as well. That's a little ghost. I might make myself a t-shirt for Halloween this year. I've never done that before. This is a cute one too I can use. I really like this one. I like that black one. That would be cute with their initials. Or Boo or something. And then this one's cute. Oh, this I'll probably use because Nova loves pink. So I'll probably use this one this year. But anyway, that's it. That's it for that purchase. I'll bring you along when I do their t-shirts and show you how I do that, and it'll be fun. I'm determined. That's my word of the year, is fun. It isn't, I'm lying, but I'm determined that that's what life is going to be now. I'm going to enjoy my life and not worry about so many things and just try to have fun. Anyway, thanks for being with me. I wish you lots of luck, love, and happiness until we meet again. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.